Hey guys and girls, I'm happy to bring you Easton. Easton is part of the ESTETICA Designs Petites collection, 4 styles that were newly released. Easton is Jett's petite sister. So Easton has a lot of the same features that Jett has. It has a dynamic, asymmetrical pixie style with a full monofilament top that's 100% hand-tied. You can part this wig left, center, or right. It has a temple-to-temple, 100% hand-tied lace front that is sheer and looks like a natural hairline. This sassy style can go from elegant to edgy depending on how you style it. Well, let's take a closer look at this very pretty new petite-sized style. Easton's cap features a temple-to-temple sheer lace front that's 100% hand-tied. It has a single layer, hand-tied monofilament top, which gives you unlimited parting options. On either side of the cap are fabric adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the fabric nape are hook adjustable straps that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ an inch. Here is Easton. It's a gorgeous, dynamic, asymmetrical pixie with a lot of sass. You can take this style from very sleek, polished, and classy to a spiky, edgy look, which I'll show you how to do that later in the video. Now, Easton has a cap size that's petite. It fits a head measuring 21 inches in circumference. So all of you petite-headed beauties will be very pleased with the comfortable fit of Easton. And because it has adjustable straps, you can certainly make the circumference slightly smaller up to ½ an inch. Now my head size is 22 inches in circumference, which is considered average. So I wear an average wig cap. Easton fits me snug right out of the box with the adjustable straps on their loosest setting. Easton's fiber is a high-quality Moda acrylic regular synthetic. It feels very soft to the touch, and because of the layering and the short fibers in this wig, it has a little bit of a coarse texture, but it feels like human hair. Easton's lace front is beautifully done. Look at that. It's sheer and gives the appearance of a natural hairline. While this is a monofilament top, it comes out of the box parted to the left. Here you can see the beautiful parting space. It looks as if the hair is growing right out of my scalp. Let's take a look at this gorgeous pixie style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love the cut of this wig. It is just so flattering to the neck and jawline. Right side. Easton's measurements are 14.25 inches at the bang. The sides are 1½ inches long. The crown is 3 inches long, and the nape is 1.75 inches long. And with a weight of 2.12 ounces, this is so lightweight and so comfortable you can wear it from sun up to sundown. Now let's talk about this fantastic color, R51LF60. This starts as an off-black color at the nape. and then gradually, as it goes from the back to the front, it's a 75% gray, which lightens back to front to a white mix here at the front. The gradual lighting of this color is just beautiful and gives it a very natural look. Let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. Because Easton has a full monofilament top, you can part this wig left, center, or right. Here is Easton parted to the left. Let's part it down the center. You can certainly wear the bangs in the front or brushed off to either side. Let's part Easton to the right. Now this is not a heat-friendly style, so if you're parting the wig and the fibers do not lay down as you need them to, you can always take a steamy washcloth, go ahead and part your wig, and then take the steamy washcloth and press it down, hold for a couple of minutes, and it should train the fibers to lay in the direction that you need them to. You can wear Easton very sleek and polished, or you can get your fingers in here and tease up the fiber. Now you can use some fiber styling gel, and you can add some styling gel to the fiber so that it will hold it in the spiky, more edgy style that you create. Just have fun with it. If you're interested in purchasing Easton, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry all 4 of the new ESTETICA Petites collection styles. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus you'll receive email alerts about great sales and wig brand new releases. Now if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now if you wear Easton, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.